Welcome Nani Barhalay.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Welcome to our channel. Buhay Traveler.
Kuha ako ngayon magluluto ako ngayon ng munggo. Pero ang ilalagay ko, hindi siya ampalaya. Ito yung mga tanim kong ampalaya. This is my plants. So, they still have a little bit. So, today I'm gonna cook munggo. Balatong. So, I'm gonna put dahon ng sili. Kuha ako ng luya mamaya. Ito yung tanim kong luya. Pwede na, pero ito, tignan nyo. Pwede na siya. Pero bata pa. Yan. Sarap magtanim sa bakuran. Yan. Puro luya yan. Ito, kuha ko ng sili. Ang ilalagay ko is sili. Dahon ng sili. Yan. So, ilalagay ko dyan. Mamaya. Yan. Yan. Ah! Yan. Ay, sorry guys. Yan. Kuha ko ng sili. Yan. Yan. Para makita nyo. Ito, mga tanim kong sili. Ito siya. Yan. Ilalagay ko kasi dahon yung ilalagay ko. Yan. Maraming sili. Yung dahon. Yan. Kasi marami na siyang bunga. Yan. Sayang din. Nag-aano na yung mga dahon niya sa sobrang dahon. Yan. Ano ko na lang siya. Yan. Yung isa, kukuha ko mamaya. Ganito. Sorry, kasi ako lang kasi nag-video. Excuse me. Yan, madami. Yan. Ito. Pwede ko siyang ilagay sa luya yung mga hinog na bunga. Yan, pwede. Pero yung mga dahon niya, pwede kong isahog sa balatong. Tanim ko siya. Tapos ito pa. Ito, pwede para mamaya ko sa kukunin. Yan, ito. Tapos ito. Yan. Pwede ko na siyang kunin. Yan. Kasi maganda. Tapos, mamaya ko ako ng luya. Ilalagay ko muna siya. Ayun, may mga ampalaya na ako. Kasi, yung ampalaya, ulam namin kanina ampalaya. So, skip muna ang ampalaya today. So, yan. Yan, yung mga luya ko. Yan. Yung balatong. Tapos ito pa luya. Yan, yung kamyas. Yan. Tingnan ko nga yung kamyas. Maliliit pa. Sa bakuran. Mumuntin naming bakuran. Yan. So, ilo guys, kuha muna ako ng mga dahon. Kasi magluluto ako ng balatong. Kaming mga Ilocano, basta ng balatong. Isasahog ko ito. Tapos, pwede siyang itlog. Pugo. Yan. Tapos, yan. Ibinubal ko na yung balatong. Kasi mga 3:30 lang ng hapon, mga 4:30, pwede na siya. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Kunin ko na ampalaya kasi, parang medyo bata pa. Ay, meron. Tingnan ko ngayon sa kabila. Ito. Hirap lang. May ahas. Ito. Ay, dami lang lamo. Ayan. Yan, bata pa yung luya ko. Ayan. Yan. Harvesting ginger in my small mini backyard. Yan. Pwede. Tignan ko kung pwede. Meron pa. Kunti na lang. Yan. Ito. Kunti. Yan. Yan.
Hello guys. Now today the food is prepared. Okay. Now the food is prepared. I will show you exactly what it is. Okay, so here, focus here. This is mongo, balato in Lakshmi they say, right? And actually, see they put chili,
Chili
and
leaves.
this one is chicharron and some ginger, and also this leaf is like chili leaves, right?
Chili
Chili leaf they put it. Before we put some other alobati leaf, this one is chili leaf. Okay, let's see. It's cooked nicely, and see you can see the evaporate. And this one is I don't know exactly. Same like a hot dog.
Tocino. Ay, embutido.
Okay. And I'm
Use
not
this
sure
one. Use
what this one. Exactly. This is the first time I'm trying this. Okay. I will try this one. See here. Too much happy. See. I think it is a meat, maybe, right?
Pork.
Pork. Okay.
Try,
Too
what's
much
that? You
happy.
taste without the rice?
No, I don't want to try. Without rice, I will taste. It's kind of a sweet taste. I can feel it, but not too much salty. Also, it's completely. I feel sweetness. This one, the pork, they some crushed everything, and I will put some balato with the chili leaf because I like chili leaf. It is very nice. Before that leaf they put, but I don't like that one. That one is something like a
You take the
sticky
leaves.
one.
Alugbati.
This one very nice.
The soup?
The soup.
I'll put like this.
Okay.
It's already
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Enough. And the chicharron also. Okay. See. See the chili leaf. I will taste the chili leaf first. You can feel the chili, but not hot. The chili, I can feel. I'll mix this one, and I will take this. This is very soft because this is a pork skin, so that is the reason it is very fluffy. Very tasty. It is very fluffy and stickiness, and also this meat I will take, and I will mix this rice with the balato, also some soup, and then nice, very tasty. Today the dish is everything nice. I'm too much hungry today, so I have to finish up everything. And also thanks for watching, and the person who don't subscribe, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please share to your friends and comment, and God bless everyone. Bye.